Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be presenting about company analysis for Keysight Technologies. And these are our group members. This assignment, our group requires to do company analysis report for one company that relates with subject production planning and control OPM545. And to complete this company analysis, we must select one company and we choose Keysight Technology as our company. Aside from that, we contacted Mr. Muhammad Shafiq Effendi, the manufacturing engineer at Keysight Technology in Bayan Lepas Penang, and we interviewed him via Google Meet to get to know more about the company. We'll begin with my part with a little bit background about the company. Keysight Technology provide electronic design and test solution to commercial 5G communication, and Keysight Technology was incorporated in 2014 and headquarters in Santa Rosa, California, and has about 13 employees. While Keysight Technologies in Malaysia had a long presence in Penang, Malaysia since 1972, and the workforce has grown about 2,900 employees today.
The product strategy of Keysight Technology and Sendia Berhad as effectively an organization manages its production process will determine how well a product is produced there, and the decision of product is crucial to the organization's ability to give society the commodities or service it needs, and to create and put into action a product strategy that satisfies market demand and a product decision is made. And Keysight primarily support the semiconductors, computers, industrials, aerospace, defense, and telecommunication industry, and also hardware and software for benchtop, modular, and field equipment are available from Keysight. Instruments include AFMS, multimeter, automated optical inspection, automated X-ray inspection, in-circuit tester, tunable laser, and electronic converter. So there are all types of product by Keysight Technology Sendia Berhad, which is Infinium real-time oscilloscope, impedance analyzer, channel PC based on oscilloscope, USB data execution modulus, axis chassis and controller, digital multimeter. Keysight use product strategy by reduce risk and shorten time to market by accelerating innovation with intelligent insight. Quick responsiveness and differentiation are being used by Keysight as a design strategy, and this is due to the fact that prior to making the good, and they do market research and survey. And next, Keysight will analyze market research to determine what buyers want from their product, and this corporation also made the decision about long-term planning and where they intend to extend their product lines. And Keysight produced a variety of electronic tests and measurable tools as well as the product design software.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Nabila binti Alias. Now I will explain about process strategy that has been used by Keysight Technologies. What is a process strategy? A process strategy is an organization approach to transforming resources into goods and services. The objective is to create a process that can produce offerings that meet customer requirements within cost and other managerial constraints. Every good or service is made by using some variation of one of four process strategy. Keysight Technology has been using mass customization strategy. Mass customization strategy is a rapid, low-cost production that caters to constantly changing, unique customer desire. The relationship of the strategy to volume and variety used by Keysight Technologies is shown on the next page. Based on our interview with Mr. Shafiq, the manufacturing engineer, the variety of products continue to expand. Therefore, Keysight Technologies use mass customization to produce a diverse variety of instruments. As seen on this figure here, mass customization is more than just a variety. It is about producing precisely what the customer wants, when the customer wants it, at the most cost-effective price. Mass customization provides the variety of products traditionally provided by low-volume manufacturing at the cost of standardized high-volume production. However, mass customization is a difficult task that necessitates sophisticated operational capabilities. The connection between sales, design, manufacturing, supply chain, and logistics must be tight for it to work. Next, mass customization provides more varieties. Keysight Technologies has demonstrated that the payoff for mass customization can be substantial. For each item, there are many product varieties. To list a few, in items oscilloscope and analyzer, the product varieties are oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, network analyzer, logic analyzer, and many more. For item meters, the product varieties are such as digital multimeters, phase noise measurement, power meters, and power sensor. For item generators, sources, and power, the product varieties are signal generator, waveform, and function generator. And for item modular instrument, network test, and software, there are many other product varieties. By using mass customization or build to order, which is the new imperative for operations, Keysight has the advantages in meeting the demands of the marketplace and also has win orders and stay in the business. Keysight is also able to trim costs from personnel to inventory to factories that exist because of inaccurate sales forecasting. Thank you.
Now let's move to the calculation part. So capacity management means the broad range of planning processes used to ensure that a business infrastructure has enough resource to maximize its potential activities and production output under any circumstances. There are three calculations include. First is design capacity. Design capacity means the maximum potential output a system may generate in a given time frame under ideal conditions. Keysight Technologies schedules work every Monday through Friday with standard 8 working hours, and the company able to produce 6 units each hour, which means they can produce 48 units per day. Secondly, effective capacity. Effective capacity means the capacity a company anticipate achieving given the current operating constraint. Assuming that Keysight has lost 1 hour due to employee break, the effective capacity would be 42 units per day since the design capacity minus with the 6 unit per hour loss. Thirdly, actual output. Actual output means the amount that can be produced at effective capacity less the amount of output lost as a result of unexpected resource idleness. Assuming Keysight undergoes a machine failure for half an hour, the actual output will be 39 units per day. Next is the utilization and efficiency of the company. These two are the performance measures that manufacturing organizations use to develop strategies and evaluate performance. Utilization in manufacturing refers to the proportion of resources such as labor, raw materials, or equipment that are used for their intended purpose. Keysight Technologies has a utilization rate of 81.25%, which considered the company has an efficient use of their resource. On the other hand, efficiency. Efficiency in manufacturing is the capacity to produce without wasting resource, time, or energy. Keysight Technologies achieve an efficiency of 92.85%, which indicates that the company produced their technology at the lowest average cost. Moving on is the company's managing demand. Demand management is a form of planning. Business use it to estimate demand and make plans for how to meet the demand with service and products. However, even with an accurate estimate and facilities built to fulfill that forecast, the managing demand that materialize and the capacity that is available may not line up well. A bad match could mean that demand or capacity exceeds resource availability. As for Keysight Technologies, during the COVID-19 pandemic, they were not significantly impacted since the technology they make is still in demand. For example, quantum computing is an emerging technology that has persisted in its growth throughout COVID. In order for superconducting quantum system to reach their full potential, there will be an exponential growth in the demand for high precision test and measurement.
Now we'll continue with my part with break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is the crucial tool for figuring out how much the capacity of a facility must have to be profitable. And the goal of break-even analysis is to finding the point in currency and also unit when the costs and revenues are equal. And this moment is called break-even point so that it will be profitable and the firm must run above this level. Companies that manufacture product use job order costing system, and this company receive customized product or services, and these customized orders are in jobs or batches. In our case, Keysight technology can use job costing system where direct cost and also cost of labor are added up and the manufacturing overhead is assigned to each category depending on the job. Then Keysight technology will receive from the customer or what they want to produce or to sell, and this cost of component, assembly, testing, also quality control should be part of manufacturing costs, which the costs are treated differently depending on the orders at hand. For the break-even analysis, we're able to calculate for digital oscilloscope in fourth quarter of the year of 2021. Estimated fixed cost for Keysight Technologies is 1,750 ringgit per year, with the variable cost estimated around 2,695 per unit, and also the selling price for Keysight product is 4,560 per unit, and estimated profit and loss for Keysight is 92 unit digital oscilloscope. And we're able to get for break-even point is 939 units, with the contribution margin ratio is 40.9%, and also profit around 4,278,785 ringgit. In conclusion, the production of a product in a company is determined how well the organization manage its product process. It is regarded as the product strategy used to achieve the product quality, and the product decisions are made to develop and implement the product strategy that meet the market demand while providing competitive advantage. Furthermore, Keysight Technology provide a distinctly unique and high quality product. Successful product strategies must determine the best strategy for each product based on its position, and the operation manager at Keysight Technology will prepare the strategies for new and exciting product while developing a new products. And that's all from us. Thank you very much.